Welcome everyone to the Fluid Ads webinar workshop. My name's Jo Cooper. I'm the Marketing Director for Fluid Ads, and I've got on the call with me Jonny, and today he's going to demo the Quick Builder to you and show you how to spin up an ad in just 10 minutes.
Thanks, Jo. Okay, let me just share my screen.
So we can see it.
Okay, so this is your homepage. Once you've created an account with us, this is what you'll be presented with, and we're going to use what's called Quick Builder. So exactly what it says on the tin. Let you build an ad quickly. You can get to it by the second tab at the top here, or the sort of big purple box here in the bottom. Once you're in that, you'll be presented with a list of templates. There's about 20 or so here. Pick which one it looks good to you. I like Vatska. There we go. And once you've got it selected, it will populate here on the right hand side. On the left then, all we see here is basically the content of the ad. And what we're going to do is go down here and just replace it with our own content. We name it Quick Builder Demo. And next up is the images. So very simply, we just click on the image and replace it with one of our own. So any you've used before will be in your library, or you can upload new images here. JPEG, PNG, SVG, and GIF are all supported. So I'm just going to put these in. And you'll see just above the image here, it says what type it needs to be, whether it's a standard image or whether you need to put in a logo. Also above the images then, there's this little square with a circle in it. This is your focal point. This lets you basically choose which part of the image is most important, which when we're making smaller versions of the ad is really key so that we don't lose anything. So in this case, we're going to pick over here. You just click where you think it needs to be. And in this case, we'll put it over here. Again, you'll see that the template on the right here hasn't actually changed. We need to hit the refresh button in the top right corner, and then we'll see our images and our logos populated on the preview. Like so. Next then, as we scroll down, we have the copy or the messaging. First up, we select the font. This is a condensed list of our probably more popular fonts, but I will show you later on how you can actually upload your own custom fonts as well. For the color, you can just simply choose the color by clicking it, or we can select the RGB, HSL, or hex values, whatever is easiest for you. Then we have the actual copy itself, the actual text. So we're going to remove this, we're not doing furniture, and replace it with something to do with holidays. And we'll do the same for the next one. Again, we need to hit the refresh button to see the preview. So this should be with our copy and with our new text, our new font. There we go, lovely. Next up then is the background color. Pretty self-explanatory, same idea as the font color. You can do the RGB, HSL, and hex. And for this, we're just going to go with white, because that should make that logo look a little bit less ridiculous. Lovely. Next up then is our buttons, our calls to action. Again, select the font. We're just going to leave this one as is, and then you choose the actual text that you're going to use. So we're going to replace this with I. We'll do the same for the next one. With these, there's a little bit more customization. It's not just the text that you can edit. You can actually change the color of the background as well. Swap it around like so. The last thing on this list then that you need to look at is the click-through. This basically is where your customer, your user, is going to land when they click on the ad. So your homepage, your landing page. For us, obviously, fluidads.com is absolutely fine. And for the last time, we're going to hit the refresh button. Once you're happy enough then, and you see that the ad is as it should be, we can preview all sizes just below it here. And this will have populated all the sizes in this template, usually around 11 or 12, and done it all for us. And this is where the focal point is important, because it means that none of these tall images and these mobile sizes are off to the side. They're all where they should be. What you can also do then is check the click-through. So in this preview, you can actually click on the ad, make sure you get it taken through to your website, in this case, fluidads.com. Lovely. So that's the ad essentially finished, but maybe we want to do a little bit more editing. And like I said, we have the ability to upload custom fonts. So what we want to do is save and close. And on our home page, we'll have the ad as the first on our list here, QB demo. What we want to do is click View Ad Details, and this will allow us to go in to this page where we can hit Edit Advert in the top right corner. We can also delete and preview from here as well. And this is our main builder. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail. This is probably another call, another demo. But all I wanted to show you, like I said, was how to upload custom fonts. So on the left-hand side, we can add brand new elements. We can add images, new shapes, new text boxes, new buttons. And in the text box section, we have the ability to upload a custom font. So as long as you have the licenses and the TTF file, no problem. If, for example, there was an image that didn't work for one size, let's say image 2 didn't look right on the mobile size. Now we've done the focal points, so we know it looks fine, but let's just pretend. And we wanted to maybe move this image without affecting any other size. Make sure we have it highlighted like so. Scroll to the top right. We're in Quick Edit at the minute. We want to switch over to Advanced Edit. And this little button just above it, Edit Element Linking, should become available. Once you click that, down here on the right, you'll get all the sizes and little tick boxes. In this case, the only other size that is ticked is large mobile. What that would mean is if I was to stretch, twist, pull, manipulate this image, it would affect large mobile as well. So we just want to untick it and do the edits that we need to do. So let's make this so that we're just looking mostly at one side. And then when we go to large mobile, we can see that these changes haven't taken place. It's only been that one size. Simple. So just in case, that's just so you can go in and make small changes without affecting all the other sizes in the template. But that is essentially your ad built. And once you're finished, then you have two options. You can download it and publish it yourself, or you can create a campaign with Fluid Ads and actually flight the ad when you're ready. And that is your ad built in just under 10 minutes.
Jonny, that was fantastic. Thank you. So every size you'd need for every device and every screen. Brilliant. Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. And have a play in the platform and let us know what you think.